Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH on the ETH chart. No change really. Bitcoin saw a bit of a rally, ETH as well, but ETH is still comfortably in resistance for this fourth wave. Resistance goes all the way up to 1609. Only a break above this level would unlock two other, let's say, possibilities. And that would be either that the move down here that started on the 1st of October, that all of this was already a wave one in a larger diagonal, which would also send us down lower. So basically 3 waves down in a wave one would basically unfold as follows. So A, B, C it would be, yeah, in wave one. Then this would be a larger corrective wave in a wave two, A, B, C in wave three, and so on. This is a scenario that would basically be in line with Bitcoin's count, the way I have it now, the way I presented it in the latest Bitcoin video, but we'll see. It's too early to say really. If we get a reaction to resistance and come down now, I would just go with what we had before on this chart, okay, which is the current wave count. I don't see any reason to change it until resistance is broken, but obviously it is worth mentioning what would happen if we break above that 1609 level. And if there is a break above 1609, then resistance, first of all, would be in the region between, let's put that on the chart, between 1637 and 1703, okay? Then we would say wave one to the downside, wave two to the upside. And if we get a break above that level, well, then I have to assume that this B wave is extending and this resistance level will get relevant again. So there are various, you could say, pivots that are relevant. The first one down there is currently for the wave 4, which would result in one more low in a wave 5. Then we need to take it from there. The second one would be for a potential wave 2 higher, okay, into this region. And the third one for a high B wave. Again, all of these are possibilities for the price to form a top and to make another low afterwards. It really, again, it takes a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down to indicate something more bullish. And we're not there at this stage. So I go with the idea that we had before, that this is probably a WXY structure that's unfolding here to the upside in wave 4. And as long as we don't get above 1609, the next move down is counted as wave 5. Alternatively, a break into this region would be called a wave 2. So we allow in a wave 2 for a deeper pullback. Or a break above that region would look at a high B wave. So it's a bit like going through a series of gates, yeah, going through a series of basically pivots, and these pivot points, they will unlock the next resistance area. So I think they are clear. 1609 is key resistance. Above that, I've got 1703. Above that, I've got 1932. But none of these levels necessarily suggest that something really bullish is playing out yet. We would need extended evidence. And if it becomes evident along the way, then I will let you know. But so far, nothing exciting on the ETH chart. Still weakness. So far, all I see is a 3-wave move into resistance. But I want to make you aware of, let's say, the alternative scenarios should the 1609 level break, because Bitcoin shows some short-term strength today. And it might be that Bitcoin is resetting its B wave higher. So we want to be prepared on the ETH chart as well. So yeah, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.